Hi, Mark T the Handyman here. Today we're going to add a faucet to our water drop 600G RO system. Okay, so this is our RO system faucet right here, and it's going to go right where that dot is. I don't have a metal hole saw, so I'm going to use what we call a green lead cutter. It's mostly used for electrical holes, but it goes through metal. And so that's what we're going to put. And I measured it off from underneath and on top here. So we're just going to drill a hole right here. And then we're going to enlarge that hole ever so slightly. That was more of a pilot hole. And we'll put that right there. So we've got that. Now we're going to take this green lead cutter, and we're going to put it like that, and then put this on there like that, and we're going to pop that hole right now. Okay, so now we're going to take our adjustable here, and we're going to tighten up on that. And that'll pop really what is going to be our pilot hole for our permanent hole for this. Okay, so now we have our pilot hole, and this will be the hole that we use for our faucet. Adjustable, it's the same thing. It'll give us a perfect hole. And there's our hole. And we're going to put our faucet in place. There's a little rubber gasket in there that will seal that so no water gets down there. Now we put the locking nut on the bottom. Okay, we've got that in place. It's pretty solid. Let's fish those tubes through the wall. So we got our water tube and our electrical wire through the wall, and now we're going to connect both of these to the RO system that we have in place already. This actually came with the water drop 600G, but in our kitchen, everything as far as like the faucet upstairs is black. So my wife said, well, I don't really want to change that color code. So we put a black faucet up there, and we kept this with the intent of bringing this downstairs. So this is going to be plugged into the water drop RO system, and they only gave us, though, only 5 or 6 feet of this, and we're a good 15 feet away. So that's why I bought some telephone wire, and that's how we're going to connect from this RO system to this faucet. Okay, so we got this water line plus our cable, and we went up the wall, and we all across this 2x4, and down there, and back to the water drop 600G, and we're all set. Well, all in all, this job went pretty smooth. We've got our RO water coming into our kitchen in the basement here, and we've got the screens from the RO system right here. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up or a like. If you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.